Now the old stove's been sitting on the floor for a week now. Sprained my hand. Not boat related, I'll leave that to your imagination. So that's gonna sit for at least another week. Some more parts came in. Got the big bus bar for the, I think it's number 2-aught cable coming off the engine start bank. Let me get down. Oh, sorry. That's actually for the house bank. This is my heavy duty bus. I was having trouble finding a bigger Blue Sea bus that had included a cover. So I got this big 300 amp from a different manufacturer. I think these are 5/8 instead of 1/4-20. And then I bought a smaller fuse for the house battery bank. This is the, according to the Blue Sea chart on their website for rating fuses, 60 amp is the proper size for the lighter gauge 6 AWG wire that's coming off the house bank and feeding the boat. Working on some cable cleanup. I reused some of the older cables. I do want to make new cables for everything. I gotta buy connectors and cable to connect the ACR. Didn't have room for the house positive terminal block, so I moved that around to the backside. That was partially driven by the house run not being long enough to locate the terminal on the bottom right hand side. Because I think I could have fit the terminal in here. Also looking at this now, I should have just made this panel a little bit taller, but once I get all the wires cleaned up and all my clamps in place, it's gonna look good, and I'll get labels going on everything. Yeah, old gas engine. Yeah, you gotta put a bunch of additives in, and I guess not store with a full tank of gas. I gotta run my dinghy motor. I hope it starts up. I hope the carbs haven't gummed up, because this is the longest it's ever sat without use. So I should go buzz around the channel a little bit. Put some fuel conditioner in it too. No, I mean if you get enough compartments, sure, yeah, but otherwise. That's fine, white's fine. It's all good. way. That might be better. Through here. And into here. Sure I don't leave with that outboard on the dock. I'll walk away and leave it there, forgetting. Exactly. Yeah, it had to be really hard for mobile phones. Text messaging now. It's like not even telephone, just ready to text. Gotta leave at 2, you said? Yeah. Alright, making progress here. A little bit of progress. Alright, so in theory, if I turn the... oh shit, I didn't put this back on there. Ah. Yeah, there you go. See, that's the alternative. Oh, already gotta go. So I can put the selector there. I think I should put this there. Then this could be AC, AC, DC, DC. There you go. What's wrong with that thing, Jeff? Oh, I left fuel in the carburetor, and it's been over 3 months, so it won't start now. So that'll be a project. I gotta study up on the carburetor jet cleaning for the little Suzuki, and that'll be in an upcoming video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.